Hi there. So today I'm going to give you a presentation of my individual assignment or individual project from the subject CSC264 Introduction to Web and Mobile Applications. So today I'll present you my mobile application. I've done the mobile application in Trunkable, as you can see here. I chose this over MIT App Inventor because the interface is a lot better to understand, to be honest. So today I made a project already. It's called My Project. Okay, let's see. Alright. So as you can see, this is my app. The app that I've created. And now we can see the home screen and splash screen. There's an animation there. For the home screen, you can tap on the screen and it will go to the next screen. So the screen it will go to is the splash screen. So this screen is just here for 3 seconds and then it will go to the login page. Yes. There's an email password here. It takes the values given and yes, and it is stored here on Firebase. These are the values that I've given to it and stored in. Okay, and then there's another splash. Okay, let's say if you don't have an account, you can go to sign in. This is the sign in, and the same thing. The details typed in here will appear in here. Okay, so next, what can we see? These are the terms and conditions. You can view the terms and conditions if you press this button. This button takes you to the next interface. This is the nickname interface. This is actually the starting interface, I think. This is another splash screen. This is my main interface. And you can see this is my questions interface. Let's try to see how the app actually works. So let's go back to home screen. Let's try to use the app. We're going to have the web preview here. Okay, this is my app, Gram Plus, English for primary kids. You can tap anywhere on the screen right now, and you can basically go to the splash screen for 3 seconds, and then we have Welcome to Gram Plus. Okay, let's say I don't have an account. Let's go to sign up. Okay, so let's make a sign up. Min 123 at g.com, and let's make the password 123456. Okay, let's try that again. Min at g.com. Password 123456. Okay, let's try to log in. Hello again. Sorry for the weird cut. I accidentally put the wrong input here. Okay, so let's try to put in the input that I've put in before in the sign up interface. 123 at g.com. This one is 123456. Okay, let's try to log in. Okay, and it works. Okay, let's enter a nickname. Let's try Min, and then okay, And what happened was, the name that I typed just now, it got stored here, min here, and then it was called to the, sorry, it was called here. So it's able to keep nicknames and call it. Okay, let's start. Yeah, this is the second splash screen. So right now we're going to try beginner questions. Okay, let's try to get some wrong and some right and see how much we get. It is essential that she is at the meeting. The boss asks you to wait, what? The boss asks that you are early for the first day of work. It is necessary that every student, let's try to get this wrong, steals a uniform. There is a red car parked in that driveway. Let's try it. There are. And could he understand what you were talking about? So we got 60. This is the score interface. That's basically it. Let's return. Okay, let's try another one. Intermediate. Okay, so this one is, I understand that you sent him an email message. I think you ought to have phoned him instead. I promise that I will be here when you come back, but I'm afraid everyone else will have left by then. Do you have an idea what she will be doing at this time tomorrow? He graduated from the university in 1995, and then he spent 2 years in the army. They have known each other for a long time. Score is 100. Return. So basically that's it. That is Ground Plus. For the coding, sorry, for the block codes, you can see it here. On blocks. So this is home screen. When button 1 click, it navigates the splash home screen. Okay, what about the splash screens? How are their blocks? What does the blocks look like? And the splash home screen. When splash home screen opens, it will wait for 3 seconds and navigate to the login page. Login page. This is the coding that I did for the login page. So basically it signs in Firebase, it authenticates in Firebase, and if error, there is an alert that will show up. We can try that actually. Okay, so here's a web preview. Let's try something out of the ordinary. Password. Let's log in. It will say Firebase. The email address is badly formatted. Okay. So basically that's it. So let's go back to editing. Let's see other things rather than splash. Here's the sign in block. Sign up, sorry. On button 8 is the done button. So Firebase signs up sign up using the input text with password, sign up password input, and navigate to splash home screen. So this basically just takes our inputs and puts it in the database here. Okay, so basically, what shall we see next? Let's see it. Terms and conditions. Okay, so terms and conditions. Did I show this just now? I think I do. Did I? Did I not? So this is the terms and conditions. You can see it here. I don't think it's interesting to have real terms and conditions. This is the beta version. Okay, accept. And you end up here. Okay. And next we have this is the nickname. And the blocks is actually very infuriating. To get here. This is the blocks for this one. It basically just calls the app variable name. And this is the main interface. It's mostly just buttons. This is a lost cause. And for the questions, the buttons are quite interesting. This is beginner question 1. Okay, so when the app initializes, the variable score is 2, 0. When app BQ1, right answer is killed. And if it is true, do set button BQ1 right background color to green and set app variable score to app variable score at 20. Wait for 1 second and navigate to beginner question 2, which is here. And for each question 5, they will go to score. So the score is here. There are 15 questions in total. And so this is the score. The score opens, it sets the variable score to app variable score. It just calls the variable. And set score label text to app variable score. Yes, it just calls. And your app will vibrate. Sorry, your phone will vibrate. And then the button 61 click navigates to splash and okay, so this is just the ending button. No, this is just the return button. And sets the app variable score to 0 again. So it just goes on and on. So basically that is all for my project today. I hope it's nice. I think it's nice visually, but functionality, I think it's okay. It's quite okay. Thank you.